Hey YouTube. We got another little bit coming in. I did a video at like 2 in the morning and then I passed out. So, this is what we got. This tree came down back here. And just the branches, not the tree itself. I really was thinking that this sucker, it's been up for years. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, this came down. I was looking at the base of it. It looks like it might have had a little bit of something. But anyway, this is what came down from up there. I was wondering, there's all these nests in this tree. And they're still intact. I'm looking. There's one right there. I don't know. I was thinking about all the animals and the birds and the squirrels and every other thing. Okay, sorry about my hand. But that's what we got. I had the concern that there would be more. But they hung in there. I mean, we went through Irma. So, Irma was crazy. And these trees, they did it. So this was nothing. Irma was like 100 and something mile-an-hour winds. So, these did not come down. It didn't even get much. I mean, look, little sticks from the tree. A little bit of sticks. A couple of sticks here. Nothing major. Easy to sweep up. It's starting. We got a little bit more coming in. Nothing major. I'm getting ready to hump out front if I can before, well, we'll probably get this rain. And this was out here all night. I put a big cinder block in, Mom, just because my mother said something. But I'll measure it later. Let me see. That's a couple of fingers. Anyway, there's that. So, this is just coming in. I'll talk to you in a bit. We fared well. It did. It was very windy and it was very rainy. But we did okay. Let me know if you guys had anything happening, anybody in St. Pete. Oh, I feel the rain coming. Alright, I'll talk to you all in a bit. See ya!